Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to use the reference tool in Odysseyware. This is a great tool for looking up unknown words or getting more details on a particular topic. It's not going to work for large blocks of text. However, if you want to look at a word like physical fitness or short key terms like that, all you need to do is highlight the word or phrase and click on the globe, which is the reference icon, and it will open up a window with more details about what you highlighted. And you can read through here, see if there's any extra details you want to add to your notes. You're welcome to copy any of this information. And you could add a new note here and paste it in and save. And this way you can expand the information given to you and make sure you have all the information you need. So once again, to do this, you just highlight what you would like to look up. So let's say I want to look up gyms. Click on the reference tool and it will give you more information about what a gym is. So it's a little bit of a reference tool like Google. You're getting some more background information, and it's also like a dictionary to fill in some of the gaps you might have about those key terms. And that's it for using the reference tool in Odysseyware.